In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email Progressive Insurance. If you need to contact Progressive with a question, a claim update, a billing concern, or another policy-related issue, the easiest way to do it is through their official Contact Us page. Start by going to Progressive's website and opening the Contact Us section. Once you're there, choose the email option so you can send your message through their contact form. After that, select the inquiry type that best matches the reason you're reaching out. You'll typically see options like a general question, an insurance claim, roadside assistance, a billing, or policy inquiry, or fraud and identity theft. This part is important because choosing the right category helps route your message to the correct team, which can make the response process smoother and faster. Next, fill in the required information on the form. This may include your name, email address, and, if it applies to your request, your policy number or claim number. You may also be asked for your mailing address and phone number. Make sure everything is entered accurately because Progressive may use these details to locate your account and respond to you properly. Once your contact details are in place, write your message clearly and directly. Explain what your question or concern is and include the most helpful details related to your issue. For example, you can mention a policy or claim number, if relevant, important dates tied to the situation, a brief summary of the problem, and what kind of help or resolution you're looking for. Try to keep your message organized and easy to understand. Also, avoid sharing highly sensitive personal or financial information unless the secure form specifically asks for it. Before sending anything, take a moment to review your information. Double-check your email address, any reference numbers you entered, and the wording of your message. A quick review can help prevent delays caused by missing or incorrect details. When everything looks good, click Send or Submit to deliver your inquiry. After you submit the form, response times can vary depending on the topic. General inquiries typically receive a response within about 2 business days, while claim-related inquiries may take around 5 business days. Finally, keep an eye on your inbox for a reply, and don't forget to check your spam or junk folder just in case the response gets filtered there. If your issue is urgent, it's usually faster to use Progressive's live chat or call customer service, since those options are available around the clock. And that's how to email Progressive Insurance.